Hi, I'm Shane Dolan, and this is Crafts and I don't like that.
That's actually how we're starting it now.
Yeah. So I'm Shane Dolan, and this is Crafts and Crafts, the show where you really don't need to know anything about beer. You just gotta like it. Today, on our first episode, we're using the LA lager, or the lager. They emphasize the LA portion of it because it's brewed here in Los Angeles, right in downtown, and they describe it as a working man's beer. Some beer that you can just come home to and drink and you'll pour in a cup. No, you want it in a bottle. It's 4.8% alcohol content, and yes, it is a lager, so it falls somewhere along here on the darkness meter. Well, it's my first tasting. I'm not gonna lie to you people. I just like beer, and I'm only gonna give my honest opinion. If the beer's shit, it's gonna be shit.
He's a liar, don't believe him. Hi, my name's Mike, I'm the producer.
It's actually a pretty good beer. It's got a little fruity taste to it. I don't know what exactly, but I can't even get Mike to give me any assessment. You don't drink.
I don't drink. That's why you can trust me to make sure this turns out well. What kind of fruit are you tasting?
It's like a tangerine type. Ooh. Or like a tangy, it's something citrusy. Not like in the sense of pineapple or anything like that. It's not gonna help me out later. It's citrusy though. It's good. And the best part is the bottle design. Like all the labeling and everything is very, very well done. If it's got a bad bottle design, it probably won't pop out in front of my eyes, and I probably won't grab it. But that's just because I'm a lame, like, common person that like just goes to a regular store and hasn't really tried out the craft beers yet. And that's kind of what the show's about. I want to explore my options, and I want people to know what tastes good and what doesn't taste good. So the second portion of the show is going to be about creating a craft. Twist is, I'm gonna be drunk. Yeah.
Surprise, surprise. The alcoholic likes to drink.
Yeah, that's definitely gonna go well. Yeah, we'll see how that goes. But so far, this is a pretty good beer, Mike. Like,
Scale of 1 to 10.
1 to 10. I would actually put this up towards like about an 8. It is the type of beer that I can sit down at home and just drink if I come home from work.
How many Phillies?
Well, Phillies all the way. We'll give 1,000 because well. Here's hoping that we win the Super Bowl.
And we just lost all the fans. They're all Pats fans.
Who cares?
Go Birds! We won! Let's go! Screw you, Patriots! We won!
This audio's gonna be real bad.
You think I care? You think I care?
Well, I mean, sober Shane cares.
Yeah, that's his problem.
And we're back. All right. I don't know what got cut, what did it, but we're making coasters today. Brought to you by Postgrad. Ow, that hurt my neck. It's actually a pretty cool thing that you can do. I don't have any coasters around. It's kind of ruined our coffee table here. So all you're gonna need is these ingredients that I post up over here somewhere. I don't have some felt or corkboard, but I found this material that is usually used at for kitchens and things like that you can use to cut out, and that also helps your upholstery. All you need to do is drink beer, which this show is about. And guess what? I finished a 6-pack and a few more. Don't tell my mom. And we're gonna use this to help out with the coasters. Also, get some tiles. They're very easily broken. We may have broken a few on the way here, but no one really needs to know that. Drink. Okay, so you're gonna have to cut out some shit. We got our upholstery right here. Hopefully this GoPro gets it. If not, we'll add some inserts in. Our PA.
It's almost like we know how to make stuff.
I know, right? We're so professional. It's almost like our PA also got some wood shavings all over everything.
Actually, that was you.
Shut up. Also, you're gonna need some scissors or an X-Acto knife. Don't operate X-Acto knives while drunk. This is a very bad idea, kids.
At least be supervised by an adult, which I am not.
Yes. So I'm gonna have to cut this out. Don't do it also on an empty table like I'm doing. Add some cardboard, as we have right here underneath, just so you don't end up cutting out your table. Again, don't use knives and machinery while drunk. Don't be me. This is not safe. It's not. All right, so you're gonna want to cut around your tile here, and get the foam cut out perfectly right. Add an angle to it. I don't know. I don't do craft saw, but hopefully if I did this correctly, there we go. I got a nice little square right here.
If Ratatouille taught me anything, it's that anyone can craft.
If Ratatouille taught me anything, someone could pull my hair and I could be a fucking magician.
That's
So we got this little square right here. We got my tile. That's gonna end up being underneath of this this tile so that I don't end up scratching anything. If you want to like make it stick a little bit better, you can add some sandpaper. Don't get as fine as sandpaper as I did. Get a little bit lower grade. I got 120. That's too fine. Give it a little bit of scrub it up, whatever. And we add some Gorilla Glue. And squeeze it deep.
How many gorillas were killed to make this glue?
About 9.
Oh, so this is what triggers Planet of the Apes, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
Great.
Yep. We're gonna add this felt to it here. Put it right on there so we don't scratch our furniture when we have it in there. Gonna put it off to the side for a little bit. So just put a book or something heavy right over top of this. It'll keep it laid down there for a little while. You're gonna want to let it stay for 30 minutes to about an hour. We're not gonna do that.
Do they use coasters in the future, like in Star Wars?
I mean, probably space coasters.
What is a space coaster, though?
So it's something that's put into zero gravity. That's made probably circular, more like a Yeti sort of thing, because you know everything's higher quality in the future.
Oh, wait, Yeti? Like the brand or the
brand. You know, have you seen the Instagram?
I thought you meant the animal.
No butts are on it, but yeah. There's something Yeti product on it, and it keeps it within the same amount of space somehow off of space technology. So no matter what, you can place it down and even in.
Oh, so wait.
Yeah.
I forgot what it was.
Okay, cool. All right, so we're gonna move on to the other portion. You're gonna have to cut out some parts within whatever you're drinking. A 6-pack usually works the best because it keeps the proportions there. You're also gonna need, to grab something off screen.
Oh no, they know we're cropping the green screen now because you went too far off and you disappeared earlier.
Yeah, here's the surprise. I'm not rich. I don't run a bar.
Oh, we're putting a bar back there? I thought we were putting a strip club.
Well, now it's a strip club.
Nah, that's not safe for work. How about
It's blurred, don't worry.
How about a scene out of Tommy Wiseau's The Room?
Ah! Well, copyright strikes maybe.
Ah, sue us, Tommy Wiseau.
Yeah, sue us, Tommy Wiseau. Please don't. Love your movie. So we're gonna get another one of these tiles, and we're gonna do the same exact thing that we did with this felt. Don't need that shit anymore. I'm gonna use this part right here to cover over top of, to cut into, so that I can use that as a coaster, because I think it's gonna look really good. I want that nice logo right there. All right, so I got out this part. Actually, that didn't turn out too bad.
That's you know what, that's probably the nicest thing you've done on camera tonight.
Oh, that
Too small or too big?
too small.
Oh, that's your usual problem though, so I mean, like, you got answers.
Very true. Whatever. We'll add a white border to it. We'll cut out some bottom parts and some top. Just some bottom parts, and we got this nice little white border over here. We're gonna do the same thing. Sand a bit. Drink a bit. Shake a bit. And we're good. And we're gluing again so that we can get this beautiful design right here.
Shane, that's wrong. I don't want to be right.
Oh, I'm never right. That's the point of this show. Well, we had the book over top of it again. It's gonna make it look a little bit nicer. Nicely enough, our PA here, and also like other handy person, Erica Lipton, helped us put together one of our own coasters. If you want to add to it, it'll make it last a little bit longer, is a little bit of polyurethane. Don't spray this indoors. We're gonna spray this indoors. You want to stay about 12 inches away, and you want to add a nice coat over top of this, so it lasts a little bit longer. And oh, that was towards me.
Dear Lord, that's gonna sound so hot on the mic.
Let's disinfect. All right, so point towards the coaster, about a little bit away. And a little bit away. And you let that dry overnight, and you'll get a nice coaster. And thanks for watching Crafts and Crafts.
Cut to the completed product. Cut to the completed product.
Yeah, so here's the completed product with all the nice camera angles.
Shane, hold up your hand, and I'll put it in your hand. No, just hold up a blank hand. No, towards the camera. Towards, right, just like that, right? And we're just gonna put it right there. Yep, hold it for a bit. Just talk with the hand out like that.
Yeah, I feel like I'm being intoxicated.
Yeah,
right now
move it to your left. Move it to your left.
Left?
Right there. Yeah, no,
Like
do
that?
the
Is
outside.
that good?
Yeah, it's gonna be right there.
Thumbnail?
Yeah, so just, yeah.
rolling.
Just talk to the camera.
Yeah, so just subscribe, like, leave a comment below. This is the finished product.
I'm so sorry, people.
If you like this shit show, you're gonna like the rest of this shit show because it's never gonna be great. And I'm really intaking some toxic fumes. This is not good. Do this outside.
Hey, what are we giving this craft?
Oh, this craft is about four drunk chains out of 11.
That's Jesus Christ. That's a lot of drunk chains.
Yeah, it's a lot of drunk chains. It's too much to handle in one taking. I'm gonna go drink more. This is Mike's problem now, so.
Oh God.
Bye.